Today, I wanted to talk about Ramalinga Adigalar or Vallalar, who is a saint from Tamil Nadu in the 18th century. Today is an important day on as he realized the importance of light in his life, and he lit the lamp in the organization that he started, and that lamp is till date held without stopping. That is, they keep it glowing and running. In one of his poems called Thiruvaruppa, he talks about the light in his life, and he talks about the light of life, where he says, "Why do you stumble, you fool, when you have the true lamp within your own self? Your state is akin to those who would get drowned in the sea despite their holding a lamp in hand." So he says it is our mistakes if we get drowned in the sea because the lamp is within us. The true lamp is within us. What a beautiful way to put oneself into spirituality, right? I mean, don't search for anything external. All the goodness is within you, is the point that he is trying to convey. Ramalinga Adigalar or Vallalar, was born in a place near Chidambaram. Chidambaram is very famous for the Lord Nadarajar, where it depicts the cosmic dance of this universe at that place, depicted as as a god there. So the core concept of Vallalar was what I wanted to talk today, as today is called Thai Pusam, that is the month in Tamil is Thai, and the star is Pusam. So on this day, since he initiated that lamp, where he says God is Arutperum Jodi, that is a light of wisdom, is what he used to pray on and encourage on. So I wanted to talk about the ways how we have to live, and what was the two things that he made all of us to follow. The two words which I wanted to take for our discussion is Arutperum Jodi and Thaniperum Karunai. Arutperum Jodi, I just briefed. It is Arutperum Jodi. Jodi is light, Perum is big or large, and Arul is wisdom. And he says for each one of us, the Perum Jodi is within us, and we shouldn't be searching it outside. And what is the second thing that he says? Thani Perum Karunai. Thani is individual, Perum is big, and Karunai is compassion. He says in his life he got this wisdom by when he looks at the paddy field when it was so sad without water, the compassion fell within him. So he says in Tamil, Vadiya Pairai Kandabodellam Vadinen. So he means paddy field there, but he actually meant anyone who is in suffering. So he says you should have compassion and love, that too as an individual, to every being, and it should just keep flowing from you. So you start glowing like a light when you spread compassion and love to everybody. Isn't it beautiful? So will we sign up to follow these two simple things in life? Believe that the light is within you and it is starting to glow. And how would you make it big? By sharing the love and compassion to all. Thanipperum Karunai Arutperum Jodi. So he calls it again in this particular way. Arutperum Jodi, Thanipperum Karunai Arutperum Jodi. Have a good morning, friends.